game. So, what's up guys? Clippers versus Detroit Pistons. Dito naman tayo. So, Clippers 32 wins, 29 loss, number 6 ninth on the West. While the Pistons have 35 wins, 27 loss, number 5th on the West. So, when March 5, 2025, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 11:30 a.m. March 6, 2025 in Manila. We're into it Dome in Inglewood, California. So, home court rin ng Clippers yan. So, ayan, ng Detroit. So, ayan, Clippers plus 5, Piston minus 5 over under 220. Mabilis lang to guys. So, for the health and availability, the Clippers, Norman Powell out, Ben Simmons day-to-day, Derek Jones Jr. day-to-day, Kawhi Leonard out rest. So, ayan, wala si Norman Powell saka si Kawhi Leonard. For the Piston, ayan, sorry. Piston, Jaden Ivey out, Tobias Harris out, Saya Stewart probable. So, ayan. Yan naman sa Pistons. So, pareha sila mga injured players. Key player yung si Leonard saka si Powell. Tignan natin. Detroit Pistons have triumphed in their previous 5 road games. LA Clippers have been defeated in their last 3 games. So, tatlong beses natalo. The last match between the Pistons and the Clippers saw the former win. It was 106-97 scoreline at Little Caesar Arena. The past 10 head-to-head games have seen the Clippers land 9 wins. So, ayan, 9-1 ang score nila. The Pistons have 9 wins and 1 loss in the past 10 games. Clippers have won 4 and lost 6 of their previous 10 contests. So, ayan po yung mga details ng games natin. So, ayan, pipili na tayo. So, pinag-isipan ko to. So, Clippers tayo dito. Clippers plus 5. Bakit Clippers plus 5? Dahil 9-1 sila sa head-to-head. Yun ang number 1 kung tiningnan kaagad. 9-1 sila sa head-to-head. Tapos natalo kanina yung Clippers. Napakalala nung pagkatalo. Lamang na sila ng 23. Nabaliktad pa ni Durantula. Siguradong babawi to bukas. Mainit pa to. So, taksa ka napapansin ko si Ibaka. Kung hindi talaga lalaro si Stewart, mahirapan si Jaden Duren na i-contain si Ibaka nang siya lang. So, for me, Clippers plus 5 tayo. Lamang tayo sa matchup sa sentro. So, ayan. That's all guys. Sa mga nagugustuhan tong video na to, so please pa-subscribe naman dito sa channel. Tapos pa-like na rin. Tapos pa-share na din. Tapos, yun lang. Tapos, kung magsusugal kayo, huwag kayo magsugal ng sobra. Bet in moderation lang tayo guys. Yun lang guys. Thank you.